Welcome to EDU World Space.
In this question, given data is that is there are two blocks given whose mass is that is first block mass is given that is m1 is equal to 10 kg and second mass is given that is m2 is equal to 30 kg. Second mass means second block mass of second block, and after it the question saying that the both blocks are placed along a vertical line, and now in the question it is saying that the first block is now changing its position by raising through a height of 7 centimeter. So this data is given, and now in the question it is saying that we have to find out a distance should be moved by second block to raise the center of mass by 1 centimeter. That means we have to find how much distance should be moved by second block to raise the center of position to raise the position of center by 1 centimeter. So this is the question. Now let's start answering this question. So in the answer here I will consider that here first I will draw 2D coordinate system. So I will consider that vertical line will act as along y-axis, and horizontal axis will be, as we know, that is x-axis, and this is the y-axis. So here I assume that initial position of both blocks are that is first block is at center, means lying on origin, and second block is that is at this position. Now in the question it is saying that the new position according to given data is, consider that this is the first block and this is the second block. Now first block is changing its position by raising by, that is given in the question, that is height is 7 centimeter, and also second block is changing its position, but we do not know its position because we have to find that data. But there is a condition given that in new condition the center of mass is also raised by 1 centimeter. So now here use a formula for y coordinate of center of mass. So it will be written as that is ycm delta ycm is equal to m1 delta y1 plus m2 delta y2 divided by m1 plus m2. Here delta ycm will represent that change in position of center of mass, and delta y1 and delta y2 will represent that change in position of first block and second block. So after looking this figure I can say that delta ycm will be written as that is in the question given, that is change in position of center of mass is given, that is 1 centimeter. That will be equal to now m1 that is given in the question, that is m1 is equal to 10 kg multiplied by delta y1 will be written as that is, it is also saying that first block is raised by 7 centimeters. So I can say that delta y1 means change in position of first block along a vertical axis. I can say that 7 plus m2 will be, that is given 30 multiplied by y2 will be written as delta y2 will be, which we have to find out, divided by m1 plus m2. M1 is that is 10 plus m2 is that is 30. Now simplify it, then I will get the delta y is equal to delta y2 is equal to minus 1 centimeter. So it means it is saying that the change in position of second block is negative 1 centimeter. That means its new position will be written as after moving to down from here from respect to its initial position. So you can see that here if this is the I consider that this is the initial position, then we have to move 1 centimeter down for finding the new position, so that the center of mass will be raised by 1 centimeter. So the conclusion is that is the second block m2 that is should be moved by 1 centimeter downwards in order to raise the center of mass by 1 centimeter. So this is the answer of given question. Hence I had solved the question completely. Thank you.